This here is our 3000 series. This is a white vinyl double hung. Double hung means the bottom and top sash will both operate. Unlike a single hung, the top sash will be fixed, which means you can't tilt it in to clean. I'm going to show you kind of how it operates. Tilt-in latches for the easy cleaning, which will give you access to the top tilt-in latches, which are built into the top sash frame. That way you can tilt this down. 3000 has fusion welded frames in all corners, also on the sashes. The alternative would be bolts and screws holding the frame together, and over time the frames will start to twist with the heat, and that's not what you want. So this will hold it nice and tight, and that's why we give you a full lifetime warranty on that, because we know that's not going anywhere. All your 3000 series windows will come with 2 dual action cam locks. This will give you a sense of security, and they're very easy to function. And they also pull the windows nice and tight, so it pushes the sash up while pushing the bottom sash down. 3000 also comes equipped with child safety latches, which I'll flip up right here. There'll be one on each side. All that does is it only allows the window to go up so high. 3000 series comes in 2 colors, white and beige or camel. We cannot do a 2-tone, so if you wanted to do a beige on the 3000, you would have to do beige throughout, so the inside and the outside. As far as the seals all the way around the window, Mylar weather stripping, bulb compression seals built into the bottom and top. The glass package that comes standard in our 3000 series is dual pane, single strength, so it's 2.5 millimeter. 3000 is available in any size. If you have wood windows or even metal windows in your house, we could build this to the specs up to, roughly 50 inches wide by almost 90 inches tall.